Okay, we're live. Let's start here. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Perpetual Host. And as opposed to some of the other ones I've seen that are created and put together by people I'm not familiar with, so strangers, newbies to the business, how about this is put out by Flair, so well-known internet marketer, solid name behind this. So when they say no limit hosting, it's the kind of thing where I'll use my example. I'm paying about, I'm going to say $250 US a year for my hosting through Bluehost. And I can use one click here, transfer it to this, and pay $17 one-time fee. And there's actually a $4 off discount coupon code at my website. So you click the link in the video description, it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Now you grab the coupon code. Instead of $17, it's now down to $13. And so $250 a year over, say, a 10-year period is $2,500, and you can get the same thing for $13. So saved you virtually $2,500. That's the best deal online on the internet. It really is a sensational setup. So the one thing that you're going to want to see is, I'll scroll quickly through some of the features just because that's be something there might be some questions about. But yeah, $13. So look at this. Let's see if I can go here. Cloud storage, AI website creation, and hosting, all put together. Unlimited hosting, unlimited cloud storage, unlimited AI website and funnel creation. There's website templates done for you, unlimited email addresses, unlimited bandwidth, and 99.9% uptime, which is really good. Fast website loading, free SSLs, which is the HTTPS that starts off the website URL, which is a security kind of thing. Lots of other stuff, multiple languages, multiple niches, and all that. One-click website migration, which is you can pop it over and save, literally go into a guaranteed saving. I'm going to use $2,500 in my example. So I'm going to cut it short here. Let's see if I can show you anything more exciting. I don't know. They also have a commercial license, so you can resell this to other people. I'll let you check that out. Yeah, commercial license, and away you go. So I'm going to cut it short. Click the link in the video description and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.